How to reconnect an HP printer to a wireless network. If your HP printer was connected to Wi-Fi but you have lost your connection and need to reconnect, or you are connecting to a brand new network, there are a few methods you can use to do so. Step 1. Use the wireless setup wizard for HP printers with a touchscreen. If your printer has a touchscreen control panel, you can use the printer menu to connect to your network using the wireless setup wizard option. To do this, you must navigate to the wireless settings menu on the printer control panel. Depending on your printer model, the steps may differ. For most older printer models, tap wireless or the wireless icon. Tap settings and then tap wireless setup wizard. For most newer model printers, select setup, network setup, and then wireless settings. Then select wireless setup wizard. Once you have selected wireless setup wizard, select the name of your network from the list of available networks, and then enter the password to complete the connection. Note: if the wireless setup wizard is not listed, select Wi-Fi Protected Setup or WPS, select push button, and then follow the steps to connect to the network. If you are unable to connect to the network, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Initiate Wi-Fi setup mode and connect using the free HP Smart app. Wi-Fi setup mode is a feature of HP printers that allows them to become discoverable to nearby devices. Once this mode is initiated, you can connect your printer using the free HP Smart app. If you do not already have the HP Smart app on your computer, tablet, or phone, you can get it from your App Store or by going to 123.hp.com. The process to activate Wi-Fi setup mode differs depending on the printer model. Follow these steps for the most common scenarios. If your printer has a touchscreen, open the wireless or setup menu and select Restore Network Settings. For printers without a touchscreen, check your model. For inkjet, laser NS, and never stop printers, press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons until the power button flashes. The wireless button will flash when the printer is ready. For laserjet printers, press and hold the wireless button until the attention light flashes. Wait for the wireless button to flash. Note: if your specific printer is not covered in this video, visit the link in the description to view the Wi-Fi setup mode process for all models. Once Wi-Fi setup mode has been activated, the printer will be discoverable for 2 hours. Open the HP Smart app and on the home screen, select Add Printer. The app searches for nearby printers. Select your printer when it appears. From here, the HP Smart app will begin the setup process for the printer. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up the printer and connect to your network.